Jai Hind, dear students. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve question number 11 of exercise 8.3. So let's get started. Question number 11 says that if Meena gives an interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at 9% rate per annum, we need to find the sum she has borrowed, right? So basically it has been given that if Meena gives an interest of rupees 45 years for 1 year at 9% rate per annum, so what is the sum she has borrowed? Okay, so basically we need to find principal. We can solve this question using two approaches. In the first approach, we'll use unitary method, and in the second approach, we'll try to solve this question using formula or forming an equation. So let's start with the first approach. We will first write that what it is given. Rate of interest is given as 9% per annum. As you can see, we are writing according to the question, right? So we can say that on rupees 100, the interest amount after 1 year, if the rate of interest is 9% per annum, so after 1 year on rupees 100, interest will be equals to 9 rupees per annum, right? For rupees 100, it is rupees 9 per annum. So basically on this observation, we can say that rupees 9 per annum per year corresponds to the sum of rupees 100 or the principal amount, right? So for rupees 9 per annum, it's correspond to rupees 100. Clear? So now we will find for 45 rupees. So basically if we will find for rupees 1 per annum, it will be equals to 100 upon 9, right? So for rupees 45 per annum or per year, it will be corresponds to, we will copy rupees 100 and 9 will go in denominator, and for the amount we are finding, that will be multiplied. Okay, so rupees 100 upon rupees 9, which will be multiplied by 45 rupees. Okay, so now we are going to reduce it. If you will see, 9 and 45 are factors, so we can reduce 9, 5 times is 45, and 5 into 100 will gives you rupees 500, and therefore we can conclude that the sum Meena has borrowed is rupees 500. Clear? So if interest is 45 for 1 year at 9% rate per annum, the sum that Meena has borrowed was 500. So using this unitary method, we have solved this question. Now let's solve using formula. So let us assume that the principal is rupees P. As we need to find principal, interest formula, we know that it is P into R into T, where P is principal, R is rate, and T is time divided by 100. Interest we know is rupees 45. So directly we will put the formula and we will find the results. So rupees 45 is the value of interest, so we'll write as 45 only, okay, which will be equals to principal that has to be found, we will write as P because we have assumed principal as P. 9 is given as rate and for 1 year, so T is 1 upon 100. We need to find P, right? So we will transpose 100 to the left side, or we can directly write as P is equals to 45 into 100, and 9 will transpose to this side using cross multiplication, or you can say, so 45 into 100 upon 9 will gives you result of P. 5 into 9 is 45, and 5 into 100 gives you final principal amount as rupees 500. See, using equation form or using formula, we have directly found the sum that Meena has borrowed. I hope so. This approach will be more easier for you, right? So, if interest of rupees 40 for 1 year at 9% rate per annum is there, so Meena must have borrowed rupees 500. In this way, we will solve this type of questions. I hope so you have understood. And if not, please go through the video again. Take care and thank you.